The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, west central Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Sevier County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Howard County in southwestern Arkansas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Richmond, or 7 miles southeast of Foreman, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashdown, Mineral Springs, Wilton, Tollet, Van Loman, Saratoga, Richmond, Bright Star, Wallace, Millwood, Arden, and Browntown. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Arkansas and northeastern Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Hempstead, Howard, Little River, and Sevier. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County in southwest